Good morning and welcome. Thanks for tuning in to Kila Chari Torah's daily Halacha review for Thursday, the 14th of July. We started talking yesterday about Hachana, preparation on Shabbos for the weekday, and how that is to be avoided. So another example of Hachana, if you think about it, is washing dishes. One may wash dishes that are needed for the remainder of Shabbat, Friday night, or even Shabbos day, Shabbos lunchtime. You're allowed to wash dishes that you're still going to need on Shabbat. Let's say you invited people over for Shalosh Shudas, and you need to have clean dishes, clean glasses, so you're allowed to wash the dishes. However, it is forbidden if they are not needed for Shabbat, because you would be preparing for the weekday. When's the next time you're going to use these dishes? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe even next Shabbos. So if you were to wash the dishes and put them away, you would really be preparing for a day that's after this Shabbos. Drinkware, he writes, may be washed even after Shalosh Shudas, even after the third Shabbos meal, if you might have still some use for them before the conclusion of Shabbos. Let's say you eat an early Shalosh Shudas, 5:30 or something, so you're done by, it's not even nightfall yet, and someone may want to drink, so you're allowed to wash glasses in case you might need them. However, if not, not. If you know that you will not use any glassware or any other dish for the rest of Shabbat, it may not be washed. You have to leave them in the sink. It's okay. They'll be there at the end of Shabbos. When one is permitted to wash a dish, you may wash 10 of the dishes, even if you know you need only one, since you might use any one of them. Some poskim say that if you have enough clean dishes, you should not wash the dirty dishes on Shabbat. Nevertheless, most of the authorities say that you may wash dishes on Shabbos, even if clean dishes are available, only if the dishes are needed. Some cite an opinion that one could soak dirty dishes after the meal, even if you're not going to use them until after Shabbos is over. The logic being that the dishes might suffer damage. In trying to peel off the cholent or something, maybe you'll crack the finish. However, this opinion is not to be relied on, since nothing actually happens to dishes when food is left on them. So even soaking them is considered preparation hachana. There's an opinion that you can wash your hands over a sink of dirty dishes and indirectly wash the dishes. Don't rely on this, except in a case of need. According to some, one should not stack the dishes in the dishwasher because all that's needed after Shabbos is to add soap and push a button. Others allow this. That's Rav Tuvia Goldstein, as stated to Rav Yisrael Dov Webster. Okay, you can look those up. Many say that certain liquid soaps may be used on Shabbos, but Rav Moshe Feinstein was stringent that if you did not dilute your soap on Shabbos, you shouldn't use it. Therefore, preferable only to use diluted soap on Shabbos. Diluted, not diluted, but diluted, like watered down. One more point to mention, making beds. One should not make your bed on Shabbos unless you intend to use it again on Shabbos, because otherwise you're preparing it for Saturday night, which is after Shabbat. If you'll be using the bedroom, you can make the bed to give it a nice appearance for Shabbos. Some poskim say that we do not make our beds today in the same manner as earlier years. It used to be a much more complicated thing, and therefore you would in fact be permitted to make your bed in any situation. Those are the words of Rav Belsky. So you can take that into consideration. Okay, join us again tomorrow. More conversations about appropriate conduct on Shabbat. Have a good day.